Ay guys, so wait lang, buksan ko yung ilaw. Huwag niyo intindihin yung ingay, sa TV lang namin yon. Like, ayan o. Si Mr. Chol, kasi kapatid ko na nono.
Welcome to the playground. And now,
Saan na
there's a
natin?
little playground right here.
Ko. Ito, yung
He wants to
pinaka,
go on the
yung
slide.
ano,
He said,
sa,
want
sa
slide.
pinakasika
Let's help him.
na,
He goes,
yung nipipit ko. Nipipit. Okay, mama, kanilang perfume to.
He's at the
Ma,
top of the slide.
Kanilang perfume.
Now let's help him go
Ano
down.
pala to?
Ready?
So, let's go. Maasim to ha. Kasabungin na. So, it's okay. Katas lang yung kukuhain natin.
He went down the slide. I want sandbox. Can you make your little bear talk?
Mula na.
I want sandbox.
Don't worry, ito maingay.
Let's help him dig. Dig, dig, dig. Dig, dig, dig.
Wait,
My little bear's making a
Patay ko na
sandcastle. What is yours doing?
bawal pa asiman challenge.
How
Ito na nga.
fun.
Ito.
We need to get
Katas lang
going.
kukuhain natin.
Let's tell our little bear he has 2 more minutes. You have 2 more minutes. You can pick one more thing to do.
Ba't di ako naaasiman?
He said, I want swings. Can you make your little bear swing? Swing, swing,
Patay mo
swing,
yun, nakikita.
swing, swing, swing. It's so fun to go on the swings, isn't it? Now, let's pretend we're walking our little bear home. Can you do that with me?
Kuhain ko na rin yung balat niya.
Walk, walk, walk. Our little bear got so dirty in the sandbox. We need to help him get clean. What do we do? Do we put him in the bed to get clean? No. Can you shake your head no? No, no, no. How about in the bath? Yes! Let's put our little bear in the bath.
Lasa.
Put him in the bath. Yay! He's in the bath. You have an amazing
I mean, hindi ko sinasabi na mapakit yung lasa niya.
Let's
Yung ano na lang, yung ganito nyo. Marami kaming ganito eh. Kaso nakain na namin yung iba. So, ako na lang yung natalan. Kasi,
Good job!
ang dami. Wait lang, papakita ko sa
And
inyo.
now we're rinsing.
O-open ko yung ilaw.
Rinse, rinse, rinse. Now, we need to wrap our little bear in a towel. What could we use for a towel?
Ito. Ano na to?
Yes,
Ay!
we can use this again.
1, 2,
Let's
3,
take out our
4,
little
5,
bear.
6 to!
Wrap him up
So,
in a
bali
towel.
7 lang natira sa akin. Kasi kinain ko na.
Job.
Ito, 7. Pang 7.
All done your back
Okay,
there.
go.
Dadala po kayo sa 3J
And we're
store.
putting you in a nice warm towel.
Oo, may maliit na iskinita dyan. Nakita mo, yung may mga metro na
Guys.
yung may 2 poste.
So, let's try this. Dito kasi ako.
Pasok po kayo dyan, dire-diretso lang po kanan, green na
So
gate.
red ball, a blue car, and a yellow duck.
Dire-diretso lang po, kanan kayo, light green na gate. Makikita mo na agad kuya pag kanan mo.
The stars
Di
are
na ba
so
tayo
beautiful.
Opo.
Yeah, they really are. Did you
Okay.
know we can see
Ano yung
about
nandun yung
3,000
kapatid ko kaya
stars?
may
No,
ganyan
I
dyan?
didn't know that.
Kasi dumada para siya ay gumagapang.
Billions of stars out there.
Don't worry.
There are. And
May
sometimes.
bag dito, dinaganan ko pa.
Oh, I'm gonna make a wish. Okay. I wish I could play with Miss Keisha more.
That's a really nice wish, Frankie.
Thanks.
You know what I wish?
What?
I wish we could sing together.
I like
Ba't
that.
nakakala? Sabi nila maasim daw to. yung green grapes. Sabi nila, pero lahat ng family ko, hindi na aasiman, pati ako. Oh my God. Sa TikTok. Ang sarap niya. Tumalsik. Kaya ko nakaaga. Ganda ng ngipin ko sa baba, pero sungki yan. Kakantahan ko kayo. Wala na tayo, pero ikaw pa rin. Wait lang, naglalag yung voice ko. Okay, sorry guys. Husky kasi yung voice ko ngayon. Kakanta pa rin ako yan, mag-vlog. Para sa inyo. So, wala lang tayo, pero ikaw pa rin ang hanap ng puso. Ikaw ang patutunguhan at pupuntahan. Ang pag-ibig mo ang hanap ng puso. Ikaw mula noon, bukas, at kailanman. Okay guys, so kakain na tayo. Nakailan na ang haba na itong vlog na to,
I
babe.
love drinking water. It's so good for us. Thumbs up. Can you do that?
Gusto ko sa kainin buo kaso, may tumutulo na sa kamay ko.
Hey, Herbie. Hi.
Ano
Do you know Humpty Dumpty? Yes, I do. Okay, let's say it together. Okay, ready. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall.
Nanonood kasi kami ng Best Rachel ni
Great
Axel.
fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together again. That was great. Let's do it again. Okay. This time, I'll be Humpty, and you be all the king's horses and all the king's men. Sure. Okay.
Masarap
I'm
ba?
ready.
So, babay na.
Dumpty sat on a
Tingnan niyo,
wall.
kakagatan ko pa. Baka
Nice.
hindi niyo nakita.
Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men. I'm a horse. Okay. Couldn't put Humpty together again.
Bagay mo mo sa akin ah.
What's behind the flaps?
Huwag niyo pansin yung mami ko.
Do you know?
Wait.
I don't know. Can you do that?
Asim, bali ang asim.
Let's try. Say open. Open.
Doon tayo.
Sure.
May TikTok account din ako, be.
Open. Open. Hand.
Sa mga hindi pa alam yung
Say open.
TikTok accounts ko or
Open.
yung YouTube ko na hindi pa nakakanood.
Do you wear socks?
Lagi akong
Let's see what
nakafilter.
else.
Kasi,
Open the flap.
kasi,
Shoes. How
Okay.
many shoes? 1, 2. 2 shoes. What do we do with these things?
mami ko,
Yes,
so,
we get
nakikita niya, may puro weba na.
Let's help the bunny get dressed. Let's say put on. Say it with me.
Wait na,
Hintay na kayo, ha?
Oh, ayan.
Doon, hindi ako mag-face reveal.
On pants.
Pants.
Put on
Pants.
socks.
Kasi,
Put on.
doon din ako magre-read yung comments.
Wow. High
Ano ba mo,
five.
be? Video naman, puno na yung tablet
High
mo.
five.
So, bye, guys.
High five.
Sinabi ko sa inyo, magre-read yung comments din ako doon. Bye!